This video shows the installation and test of a carbon monoxide alarm. Open the battery compartment and insert the battery into your carbon monoxide alarm. The alarm will bleep to indicate that the battery has activated the unit. Mark 2 points on a wall at eye level. To determine the distance between the screws, measure the distance of the holes in the back of the alarm. Do not install the carbon monoxide alarm above windows or radiators. Ensure that you can read the digital display easily if your unit has one. If you are installing the alarm in a room where a solid fuel appliance is present, ensure that the carbon monoxide alarm is installed 1 to 3 meters from the appliance. Drill the holes, insert the plugs, and screw in the fasteners, leaving 2 to 3 millimeters between screw head and the wall. Slide the alarm onto the screws and check that it is secure. Test the carbon monoxide alarm by pressing the test button. To order a carbon monoxide alarm or to ask further questions, please ring SafeLinks or visit our website.